Alright gentlemen, here we are in a basement for a home in Leesburg. We will be installing a parameter drain that's going to be going throughout the entire basement around that water filtration system. We also have a water heater just on the other side of this air conditioner. And all of these shelves and all of that stuff will be removed prior to you starting this job. We'll be going through this room, through that wall into that other bedroom. We're also going around this wall, all the way around to the front door, up to that corner. Again, here's the bedroom. Again, running that pipe all the way around, under that wall, and again back into the utility room. We will remove the flooring. We're not in charge of putting it all back. So here's the back door. And in this corner is where that sump pump is going to be going through, or going to be going, the sump crock. Again, that pipe will be coming all the way around the wall, all the way around past the door and into that crock. From there, we'll run a discharge line through the wall. Let me show you the outside. So there you go, back door. There's that wall. It is a concrete wall, which is literally foundation. We're going to go ahead and core drill through there, put a 90, drop that pipe. Once it makes the 90, we drop it underground, and then bring it around this fence. Be careful of the septic system down there, and continue all the way down for about 100 feet, which is where we're going to install a dry well. For details about the dry well, let's contact Tony. For parking, here's a visual of the house. So you can see there's a pretty long driveway up to the garage. And we're going to go ahead and zoom in on the property. There appears to be, on the back of this garage, there appears to be more asphalt. Not necessarily sure how we're going to get back there. But as you can see, you drive up, there's driveway in the front, and then there seems to be driveway in the back. So let's see if we can utilize that to park your trailer so you can, in a more easy manner, load up that trailer with your concrete. This is about a 4-day job. We will be here until at least Thursday, unless you guys are able to get it done sooner. We should be able to get a plumber out to you to remove the water filtration system and water heater, and of course also way to help out with the excavation. So that's what we got.